So the next problem that I'll be solving is this one. Snakes and ladders. It's A for Ramanujan, B for Mahavira, and C for Bhaskara. The game of snakes and ladders is played by rolling a common dice. Common dice means a regular dice, giving values 1 to 6. A dice has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because it has 6 sides. And moving that many places from your current cell position. Each player starts from a cell number 1. So you can see number 1 is right here. One second. Number 1 is right here. Uh, Number 1, and the player wins when they reach the last cell, which they have made 49 in this case. Usually it's 100 in a normal game, but for this problem they've made it 49. Now if you reach a cell with a snake's head, you will slide down to the snake's tail. So suppose I reach here, I will slide all the way down here. That is, if you land on cell 21, the snake will take you back down to cell 5. You can see 21 will go back down to cell 5. The mouth, the tail. And if you reach a cell with the bottom of a ladder, you'll climb up to the top of that ladder. That is, if you land on cell 23, you will climb up to cell 36. Now remember, if you land on cell, let's say 18, it is not the bottom of the ladder, so you can't climb up. You'd have to land on 10 to climb up. Okay, I'll just erase all of this. That is, if you land on the ladder, will take you up to cell 36. Okay, now the question is, if you are at cell 19, what is the minimum number of dice rolls to win? So where's 19? 19 is right here, the black square. So you are on square number 19. This is you right here. You're on square number 19. Now you need to get to square number 49. What is the least number of moves? Now let's assume that the dice, it is like a magical dice in which whatever number you choose, that number will come. So we have to choose the correct number of steps to get to the correct, to get to square number 49 in the easiest and fastest way. So now the first thing that would come to our mind is just taking the ladders up, or straight away trying to get to 49, avoiding the snakes. Now if we took the ladders, the ladder that is there is this one and this one. Now if we try to get this ladder, it would be step number 1. Step number 1, we take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps and we reach here, and this will take us up. So in one step we reach to 36, and for 36 we could take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could reach to 42 in 2 steps. Okay. Now in the third step you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the third step you reach 48. So close, right? But it's not 49. So you'd have to take a fourth step to reach 49. So in this trick we reach 49 in 4 steps, but there is a faster way. Now if you see this ladder here, how do I show you? This ladder here that I've circled, once you get to the top of this, you just need one more step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves, and in that one step you finish the game. So you need to get to the bottom of that ladder, like that is what a possibility is, and you can't go backwards, right? You can't really go backwards, but you can use snakes. So what we do is we use this snake. So in the first move we go 2 steps. 20 is 1 step and 21 is another step, so 2 steps, and the snake takes you down like this to square number 5. Now you've already finished one step by going to 21, and the snake has taken you to number 5. Now what you do, you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the next step you make a dice roll of 5, and the ladder takes you all the way to 44. Now you've only used 2 steps, and now in the third step you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the fifth step, which is the third chance, you've reached the end, and 3 is the answer right here. So 3 is the least number of rolls you need to win. So I think I'll stop recording.